Hey guys, this is Rare Gross with Ferris and Fletch Wine Company. I'm here at an amazing vineyard in Santa Rita Hills. This is Lompoc, California, my hometown. This is a vineyard that was planted, newly planted within the last several years. There's been a few vintages that have came out already, and high caliber wines. These are, 90 plus point wines. Pinot Noir 115 clone on the vine here. We're going to be harvesting some rows in this section, this block, tomorrow night. So came out, wanted to check bricks and just see where things were at again before we make our final move. This year, 2022, has been great. Despite the low yields, fruit quality has been exceptional in my opinion. So we're excited to get out here and make some really awesome wines this year. We're going to be hand harvesting this Pinot Noir tomorrow, so we'll have picking crews come and move through each row, and we'll basically put the fruit in the buckets, dump it in the bins, follow behind with the tractor to make sure that everything's clean with the fruit, and follow that back to the production facility and get our fruit processed, and from there on out, I think this is really the beginning of harvest for us. So we're really excited to move forward this year.
I'm lonesome but happy, rich but I'm broke, and the good Lord knows the reason. I'm just a cowpoke from Cheyenne to Douglas, the ranges I know, 'cause I drift with the wind. No one cares where I go. I ain't got a dime in these old worn out jeans, so I stop eating steak. I'll go back to beans. I'll pick up a 10 spot in Prescott, I know, riding the Bronx.